Hello, my beauty babes. So today I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm here today to bring you all a cute date night eyeshadow makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be using the Jackie Aina and ABH eyeshadow palette. And as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and I prepped my eyes with my concealer. I'm going to first go in with Big Wig. The concealer I use to prep my eyes is from LA Girl. It's the Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey. And I use a MAC eyebrow pencil. I don't know the name of it. I think it's called Spike. Yes. Eyebrow pencil is called Spike from MAC. And then I conceal under my eye with concealer from MAC. It's the NC42 Pro Longwear Concealer. Okay, so first, basically, I just took a blending brush and put Big Wig all on my crease and a little above my crease. I do like to take my eyeshadows up sometimes, depending upon the color that I use. But I wanted this one to go kind of up in my eyebrow and like in my inner corner. I just wanted like a dramatic kind of look for the night. Cause it's date night, you know. You gotta give the boys something to look at. So yeah, I use a blending brush and I blend that out to perfection and to everything smooth. And I have a tutorial already on my everyday makeup, so if you want to see like how I do my eyebrows or the foundation and things that I use, that's also listed in there for just everyday makeup tutorial. I will be using most of the same products today though, and they will be listed below. So as you can see, I'm going above the Big Wig shade and I'm using the color Pinker just to just to basically like buff out everything and so that there's no harsh lines and it's a better like transition color. Okay, basically from here I'm just going to be building up those two colors, going between Big Wig and my crease and with Pinker on top of that just to buff it all out. And yeah, we could just watch that. Oh gosh, y'all. So as you can see, I have eyelash extensions in. So this look will not be completed with a lash. This is my first time actually even doing the eyeshadow with eyelash extensions. I wonder how they're gonna look. And they're like 2 weeks old. I'm about to get them redone. But yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. I actually really like them though. Okay, y'all. It is now time for the dun dun dun. The cut crease. Okay, so this is gonna be my second time doing a cut crease. The first time it turned out horribly wrong, and I just like completely trashed the whole look. I did it like a while ago, so yes, it's gonna be like my second go at it, and I hope it just goes better this time. Pray for the girl, okay? But I'm being really careful, and my eyes are like really like almond shaped. I think people call them hooded, but I don't think they're hooded. But anyway, basically I don't have much eyelid room, so trying to do a cut crease with my eyes is a little challenging, but I still tried it anyway. I'm using the same concealer that I use to conceal my eyes by LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Honey, and just like a flat eyeshadow brush to like try and make that cut crease as crisp as I can. And as you can see, the girl messed up a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. It was savable. It was salvageable. Okay. So we kept it pushing and we made it work. All right. Next, after I finish cutting out my crease and losing my mind, I'm going to set my concealer with my Ben Nye Banana Luxury Powder with the same flat brush that I was using to the same brush that I was using to put the concealer on. And yes, fun fact, eyelash extensions definitely get in the way when you're trying to do eyeshadow, you know? But anyway, after I set that, I'm going to go into Shookington. Wow, y'all see that? Y'all saw that? It's okay. Because Anyway, I'm gonna go into Shookington, and then as you can see, or as you're about to find out, real life problems happen. But you know, I was like, I'm gonna keep this in here, and I'm gonna show y'all how I make lemons out of lemonade, because when I added Shookington, it did not do what I expected it to do. And now you're going to shortly see my stumped face, because I was like, okay, what to do now? So I sat there for a couple of minutes, like, I don't know what to do. And then I finally kind of thought, like, okay, well, let me just try something else out with the other eye that is untouched, and let's see what we get from there, so we can hopefully salvage this tutorial. So I ended up just deciding to smoke out the whole entire eye with Big Wig, which is what you'll see me doing now. And then I go ahead and take Dwalas. I like that, Dwalas. I take Dwalas out this palette and I put it in my inner corner. So I kind of basically do like a cut crease, but with Dwalas instead. And yeah, I ended up actually liking it because it's like a really pretty, like, I don't know, it has like goldish, greenish, and then like I feel like I see specks of silver undertones too. I don't know. I was just like, at this point I was just like playing with stuff, like, okay, how can I just, save this look as a whole. So yeah, I added Wallace, and then I made like a fake cut crease with that, and then I put credit in my inner corner in like a V shape form. So basically like really just outlining that outer corner of my eye, just to give me some, like depth and definition on my eye. And I was like, okay, girl, like this is cute. Like, okay, mind you, y'all, like I'm basically a beginner too. Like I'm learning as I am recording, okay? Like, so I was proud of myself with this look. So as you can see here, I'm just going to be placing credit in the outer corner of my eye in a V shape, just to build up some depth. And then I'm going to be going back in with Big Wig and Pinker alternatively to just build up the color some more. I was actually able to just wipe Shookington off, since I was going to be smoking the eye out for the most part with Big Wig anyway, and then putting credit on. I'm then putting Dwalas on top of that. So I was just like, rather than me starting over and all that, I could just wipe Shookington off, and it came off for the most part. So that's what I did, and then I just went ahead and started smoking the eye out. So this is pretty much all the building up that I did. And then I'm just brushing my eyelashes because they were just all over the place after constantly putting on eyeshadow. Then I'm just going to take 5 hours to put on some eyeliner. I do not normally wear eyeliner, but I felt like since I wasn't doing a dramatic lash or anything, this look definitely called for some eyeliner. So I put that on, and then I just do my regular foundation. Like I said before, if you all want to see how I do my regular makeup, like daily routine, I have a video up of that already. I use the same exact products that I use in this look today, so you can go ahead and check out that video. After I did do my foundation and everything, I put Big Wig at the bottom of my eye. For some reason, I can't think of what it's called. Oh, my lower lash line. Oh, I could not think of that. I put Big Wig along my lower lash line as well as some mascara to basically just smoke it out. And for last, but certainly not least, I use the MAC Prep and Prime lip little like conditioner to prep my lips. I then went in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color 7. I guess they don't have actual names. But yeah, in the number 7, I guess I should say. For liner, I use the NYX um, lip liner in dark brown. And then on the inner part of my lips, or like the center part of my lips, I use the MAC Cream Sheen Lipstick Creme de Nude. And then I put a simple like a beauty supply store gloss on top of that. you guys so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like. I really like to hear about what type of videos you guys are interested in watching. I do construct my own wigs. I have recently gone completely natural, so no heat or anything like that. I'm like anxious or welcome or interested or willing to show you guys that journey and styles that I do in my hair, or like any hair products that I use, reviews, things like that. Yeah, I'm pretty much open to a lot of stuff. I enjoy makeup, fashion. I shop a lot, so I can do hauls. Like, I'm pretty much open to a lot. I just want to know what you guys are interested in seeing. Okay, so see you guys next time. Bye.